In this video, you'll learn how to use the Coil Cutter Winder from PotterUSA. The first thing you're going to need is a mandrel. PotterUSA sells the mandrels in both English and metric sets so that you can make a variety of different sized jump rings. Choose the mandrel you want to use and lock it into the chuck. Make sure it's tight. Next, you're going to need some wire. This is 14 gauge sterling silver wire. You can use wire from 12 gauge all the way to 30 gauge. Next, you'll put a right angle bend in the end of the wire so that you can insert it in between the teeth of the chuck, and that holds the wire in place. Then, while tightly holding the wire up against the mandrel, begin to use the winder, rotating the handle so that you can wrap the wire around the mandrel, creating a coil. If you're planning to use our coil cutter to cut the coil, keep the coil to 4 inches or less in length. Make sure to just wrap the wire very tightly around the mandrel so that all of your jump rings will be consistently shaped and sized. Once you get your coil to the length you want it, you can simply stop winding and pull the coil off the mandrel. Go ahead and snip the wire off the end. Remove the coil from the mandrel, and then you can snip the excess wire off the other end and use our coil cutter to cut the coil into jump rings. And that's it. That's how you use the coil winder.